Hello, dear viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel dedicated to traveling around the world. Today I would like to tell you about my hometown Magnitogorsk, located in the southern Urals between Europe and Asia. Most of the city's residents live on the left bank of the Ural River, while most of the industrial enterprises are located on the left bank. Thus, the residents of Magnitogorsk go to bed in Europe every night and go to work in Asia in the morning. Magnitogorsk is a large industrial center. The city is considered the capital of ferrous metallurgy in Russia. The central role here is played by the Magnitogorsk Iron and Steel Works, which is the city-forming enterprise. Most of the city's residents work at this metallurgical giant. The city has a long and rich history. The legendary Magnitogorsk is a famous Soviet construction site of the industrialization period. The history of Magnitogorsk began in 1929, when the first builders arrived at Magnitnaya mountain, and 3 years later the plant produced its first cast iron. A noteworthy fact: during the Second World War, every second Soviet tank and every third shell were made of Magnitogorsk steel. The outstanding contribution of Magnitogorsk metallurgists to the victory over Nazism is immortalized in the monument Rear to Front. The worker who forged the sword of victory passes it on to the warrior. The worker's gaze is directed to the east towards the plant, the soldiers to the west towards the front. The monument is part of a triptych. In Volgograd, the sword of victory is raised by the motherland, and we see it in Berlin in the hands of a warrior liberator. The 15-meter sculpture was installed in the Eternal Flame Park in 1979 for the city's 50th anniversary. It should be said that at first the construction of residential areas took place on the left bank of the Ural River. However, due to poor ecology, construction was eventually moved to the right bank. The most striking architecture is presented in the Lenin's district. This is the so-called Stalinist empire style. My city is actively developing. Ambitious infrastructure projects are being implemented in it. In 2020, the city began construction of a city resort attraction. A new generation urban environment is being created on an area of 400 hectares. The first stage of the facility opened to city residents in the summer of 2022. The core of the further development of the territory was created: a square with a dry fountain, an information center, a food mall, tens of kilometers of bicycle and pedestrian paths with artificial lighting and pavement. In subsequent years, an artificial lake with a viewing bridge, a beautiful equipped beach, and a picnic island were added. But that's not all. On the shore we see a modern amphitheater for concert performances and even an artificial hill with sky and tubing tracks for winter and summer skiing. In 2024, the third stage of the resort was launched. It included the light and music fountain, still heart of the motherland, with an area of 3,500 square meters. 1,724 jets soar into the sky to a height of 30 meters. Dear friends, I hope I managed to convey the beauty of my hometown. If you liked my work, I kindly ask you to support me. Like, subscribe to the channel, write comments. I will be glad to present you my new fields. Good luck to everyone and see you soon.